Well, hello and welcome. Yes, we're here at the Rio Grande Nature Center. I have been here quite a few times, but I've filmed here 2 times before today. And the funny story is, I want to get a nice, crisp filming this time. The first time, I bought a new camera, which didn't work very well at all. So it was just blurry, the whole thing. I think I finally deleted it. The next time I bought a really nice camera, but the settings weren't right. People were asking me, did you take that back in the 70s or something? It's like all yellow, and so third time's the charm. And today is St. Patrick's Day, so I'm going to walk through the largest, believe it or not, just read this, the largest cottonwood forest in the world. So take that, other forests. But and maybe a special treat, they've now opened the gift shop and the information center for the first time, at least that I knew of, recently after the virus back in 2020. So let's go check it all out, and we'll try to do it in between rainstorms. Let's go. It's a little wet, a little muddy, but not too bad. I can still walk. And I see a lot of nice blue sky. It's a little rainy and very cold when I left my house, but I could almost take off my jacket now. I have not been in here for probably umpteen years. It was closed during the COVID, so this is pretty cool. Love this mural here.
Wolf. Oh, freaking engine. Squirrel. See? No. No.
Let's go check out the nature shop. here. Cool, cool, cool.
Let's see if he can make it out already.
That's a baby one.
No, I think it's fake. He's just mostly underwater.
That's a mommy one.
I don't think so, hon. I think they're both adults.
Yeah, most of these turtles are going to be adults.
Look at him crawling up slowly. He's like, well, that turtle's got that branch down, so I'm gonna come over here.
No, what turtle? I can't see him.
He's over there. True. That's why I took Journey that way.
All right, let's head out to the Bosque. Ah, this is nice. Nice and pleasant. You can hear the geese barking. Okay, finally got to see the Nature Center info and a bunch of little displays. Pretty nice. And the little gift shop there. I controlled myself, didn't buy a t-shirt or a hat. I was tempted. Ah, pretty good flow there in the canal. Beautiful.
I know. And yesterday he walked from here, over there where the dog is, and then you just go down to the clump of...
Oh, those clouds really add some ambiance down here. You're cold one minute, hot the next. You feel some sprinkles, then all of a sudden they're gone. Very eclectic day as far as weather. Ooh, wind kicked up. I almost put my jacket back in the car. It was too warm, but now it's cold. Okay, we're heading down into the Bosque. I'm hoping to get all the way to the river. Even though there's some blue sky that way, I can actually hear the raindrops hitting the trees. Just a very slight sound. Can hear a woodpecker. There he is right there. Can hear that sound quite a ways away, knocking against the tree. I almost called off today's trip, today's video, and did something else or nothing. But this is really nice. There's quite a few people around, but not right here. Nice and quiet. Oh, so nice. And the cool air. Very, very cool. Very cool. Oh, we made it to the river. There's the old Rio Grande River. It's a little better. If I don't trip on one of these roots and fall in there, it'd be a good day. That would be a bad day. Flowing pretty good. Just very pleasant, very relaxing. Now, I'll admit that it's not the prettiest time to come to the Bosque. The best times is right in the middle of summer when it's very green and a lot of plant life, and in the fall, of course, you have all the beautiful yellow cottonwood leaves. But this is nice too. Well, let's just kind of hike along the river here. I don't think I've been this way before. And just see where it leads us. Oh, sprinkles are coming in. A little muddy. That's all part of the fun, right? I see you, ducks. I'm gonna take your picture. Got to climb back here a ways. I like these little areas you can look through, little drop-offs. I like looking at the trees too. All sorts of different formations and stages of growth or decay. Ooh, it's muddy. Oh, here's another path. I think I'm going to continue going north by the river just a little bit further. Looks like a bench up here. Wow, I've never seen this before. I'll be darned. You always run into new things. That bench looks fairly new too. Ah, look at this. You can almost get out there. You can see where the river is split there and going around these sand bogs, if that's what they're called. A lot of footprints over there. In memory of Nancy Hampton, who loved all her life. Well, thank you, Nancy. I'm going to sit here and enjoy the sprinkles, the flowing Rio Grande. And if you look real close, you can see a volcano in the background there. I think that's one of the two to the north of the Three Sisters. Oh, the wind's coming through. Gives it a little bit of a feel. So what do we have here? Is this trying to tell me something? I think we're blocked off here. I mean, I could go through, but I'll bet it gets real thick over there. Oh, you can walk right on the sand right there. My luck, I'll fall into some quicksand. So, moving on this way. These little needles. It's interesting. It's kind of dropped all over that bent tree there. That's pretty cool. Ah, made it back. It's kind of hard to get lost in the Bosque. Now, some people would say this is a miserable day. And it is, kind of, if you really planned on, I don't know, hiking in the mountains or playing ball or something in the mud. But for me, this is a beautiful day. It's almost fall weather, but it's actually winter and almost spring. Another week, another few days. Okay, we've almost come full circle. Here's the Nature Center gift shop and information center. But we're going to take a little side loop here. It's kind of the garden center. Nope, we's going this way. Those geese are still yelling over there. And here comes the rain again. Check out this tree here. Man, that's got a lot of character. A lot of years. Wise old Cottonwood. Well, I think that's gonna do it. I think we've come full circle. Just need to go back out of the garden area and back out. And it's been a fun day. That looks like a palm tree under there. Made into a bird bath. Very, very cool. The maintenance area. Behind the scenes. Well, that's going to do it for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I make these videos for you. I share them. That's why I make them, to share them. I've had people say, thank you for sharing, which is fine, but that's why I make them, to share them. I don't keep any. I don't do anything that I don't share, unless it's a huge mistake. But I've also been asked quite a few times, do you enjoy these places that you go, museums and walks and out of town? And I say, well, most of the time. They're going, well, you sure act like you're enjoying it. I go, well, that's kind of my job. You don't want to see all mopey Big G going, oh, look at that. It's not that great, is it? No. I want to be excited. I want you to enjoy it. But most of the time, I really do enjoy it. Of course, I have to get the video together. Got to do some work. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm so glad I didn't get soaked. Got a few drops. They're almost gone now. But thanks again. I really appreciate you. But now it's time to head out. And I want you to have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Whether you celebrate anything or not, it's going to be a wonderful day. Hope you have a wonderful week, month, and year. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. My last video, can you tell me what was weird? What was strange about my sunglasses?